Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel, The Terrace Kitchen. In this video, we'll see how to make cheese chili paratha. It turns out delicious and it's quick and easy to make. Let's take a look at the recipe.
In a bowl, take 2 cups whole wheat flour or Gehun ka atta. Add some salt as per taste. Give it a good mix. Adding a little water at a time, make medium soft dough. The dough should not be very soft and should not be very stiff. After that, add 1 teaspoon oil and knead the dough for 30 to 40 seconds, then cover and let it sit for at least 5 minutes. So here I've got 4 processed cheese cubes and this is 35 to 40 gram of mozzarella cheese. So you need to grate both the cheese. If you just have any one type of cheese, you can use that also. Half to 1 teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon mixed Italian herbs or oregano, some salt. Lightly mix it with spoon. Do not use your fingers and make a tight stuffing. Don't do that. After resting the dough for at least 5 minutes, again knead it for 30 to 40 seconds and you would notice that the dough would look very nice and smooth. Take out a portion of it. Now sprinkle a little Gehun ka atta and roll this dough a little. Now after that, press it like this and then put some stuffing. And then the way I'm showing in the video, you need to close this like this. So you need to bring the sides together and seal it and need to remove the extra at the end and then roll it. Now the reason why I said you should not tightly knead the stuffing, because if you do that, it would be difficult for you to roll this paratha. That's why I said mix the cheese just lightly, gently with a spoon. And rolling this cheese paratha is not very tricky like aloo paratha, so it's simple. Put it on a hot tawa and after 10 seconds, flip it. The flame should be high. Now apply some ghee on one side. You can also use butter or oil and then flip it. Again apply some ghee. So cook the paratha well on both the sides, and the same way you need to make more parathas. This cheese chili paratha is easy and quick to make, and you really do not need any chutney or anything with it because it tastes amazing just like that. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. And you can check out more videos by following these links. Bye bye.